These keyboard shortcuts help me code faster in Android Studio. If you also don't like to switch hands between mouse and keyboard, this video is for you. Okay, imagine I have this data class. I want to add a couple of parameters. If I want to literally type every line, that would be boring. So instead, I write one line only and duplicate it a couple of times with Command D. And I just change the parts of the line that is different. Now, if I want to delete a couple of lines, I could highlight the whole line and press backspace. But I don't, because I can press the Command backspace. No need to highlight anything, because this removes the current line. If I press it multiple times or hold it, it removes the next lines. Now, my backend engineer tells me any of these parameters can be null. I'm too lazy to make them nullable one by one. Instead, I press Command-Shift-8. Now I can edit multiple lines at the same time. To jump to the end of a line, I press Command-Right, and now I can make all of them nullable. To exit this mode, I press Command-Shift-8 again. Okay, I want to check the code of this screen, but I just forgot the name of it. I know that this is a static text, so I can search for it with Command-Shift-F. Now, how do I find the screen? I can find the usages of this text by pressing Option F7. This is the screen. If I want to find the usages of this screen, there is an alternative to Option F7, and that is Command left click. It gives me a plain list of usages, as opposed to the categorized list that Option F7 gives me. Now, there is another screen that I'm looking for, and of course I'm not going to search for it in the project view. This is where the most lifesaver shortcut comes, Command-Shift-O. I can write the file name, I can write a broken version of the file name, or I can write the acronym of the file name. I can even write the first letter of the file. Okay, no, I can't do that. What if I don't like Command-Shift-O? Let's customize it. I click on the cogwheel, Settings, Key Map. I can either type the shortcut's name here, or if I don't know the name, I can press the key combination and find the shortcut here. This is the one. I'm going to add Command-Shift-E as a shortcut. And of course, it's already assigned to another action, so I have to replace that. So that's it. I hope this was useful. If you want to know more shortcuts, let me know in the comments section. And I'll see you in the next one.